but never mind. Oh,
Okay, April 17th, 4:10 p.m. Here's my TV. It always has this issue. Oh, here it comes. Dusty, sorry. Boom, there it is. Volume, channel, input, nothing. It's happened to me a few times before. I'm going to take the main board out, bake it in the oven at 390 for 10 minutes, let it cool, put it back in, it's going to work fine. So you take the base off with these 4 big screws, plastic comes off, take the power cover off, bunch of little screws, 2 in the circuit board, lift the cover off, and then this is the board with the problem. This is going to be my 4th time putting it in the oven at 390 degrees over the last 10 years, so I've always told myself if it works and I can get it to go on another 6 months to a year, then I'll keep doing it. But what a pain in the butt. Okay, here's the board. I'm going to put it on a piece of cardboard in the oven. You just have to lift up these little clips and slide the ribbon cables out. Very easy. Let it cool for 30 minutes before I touch it. Okay, so kind of rushed it a little bit, but I thought maybe if I put it in while it's still warm, any kind of flexing, I don't want any broken solder joints, but yeah, putting it back together now. So I just put the cover back on, and I just want to remind that the metal is really thin and really sharp, so be very careful. But I'm just trying to get this TV to limp along. I mean, I got this one and this sound bar, and I was going to be wall mounting it, but figure if I can keep fixing this one and use it for a little longer. Yeah, still got work to do on my wall where I'm going to hang this one, so gotta keep this bad boy going. Tell you how it works. Let's see, what time is it? It's 4:46. Screw it together and then I'll plug it in and show you. Okay, just plugged it in, did a little dusting, not very good, but didn't plug all the inputs in. But I'm just gonna reach it and plug it into the wall. We'll see what happens. Moment of truth. Power light came on. Okay, here goes. Moment of truth. Actually, let's check the time. It's 4:53. Come on, power. Stupid power button. Power button like wears out on this. Wore out. Okay, what's going on? Made it past the LG screen. Voila. It's on the wrong HDMI input. Let's see if I can find... See? Buttons are working again. Okay, so just want to tell what I fixed with this. Frozen clock screen. LG screen not doing anything. No audio altogether. Had picture, no audio. Baked it in the oven. Now back to this, just the LG screen. So it worked. Maybe only for 6 months to a year, but that's cool. Cheers. And if anyone knows why this keeps happening, or I've been told that it's crappy solder joints and they just need to be reflowed sometimes, but if anyone knows really why that's happening, I'd be interested in hearing.